To erase all data on POCO F7 Pro, we can go to Settings. In the settings, choose About Phone, and then we want to scroll down in order to find Factory Reset option at the bottom over here. Once we go here, we have the summary of everything that will be removed from the phone, which is pretty much everything, so make sure to make a backup in order to not lose something important. And after that, we want to press Erase All Data. We also have the option to create a backup over here. I'm just going to choose Factory Reset, and we have 10 seconds before we can actually erase all data. After that, press Next. There we go. And then once again, wait 10 seconds to be able to perform the factory reset. And this should be the last warning, the last attention. And there we go. This is how we can perform the factory reset by using settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!